Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back, welcome back. Yes, Nuts is in the driver's seat this morning, guys. No, Nuts can drive. But the thing is, Nuts need to just work on our confidence and focus. Right? So, when you're driving, you always have to just be focused on what you're doing and just don't overthink it and just be confident. That's what she needs to work on. So that's what we're out here working on this morning. So forgive her looking extremely focused. She can't look at anything else other than the road and focus on stopping and knowing when to slow down, knowing when to speed up, and all of them things there. Don't put herself underneath unnecessary pressure by seeing things before. Yes, guys, so it's a beautiful Sunday morning this morning. Um, we got up not too long ago. Hey! Yeah, so it's a beautiful Sunday morning this morning, guys. Male with our plate. Yeah, beautiful Sunday morning this morning. Decided that it's the perfect morning to go for a drive. Not just going to the gas station. First time buying gas on our own. I'm just a fly on the wall right now. Well, a fly who can talk. On the wall right now. So, approaching the gas station right now, guys. Guys, look at this truck. This is the Albertan dream. Owning a truck and jacking it up off the ground. At least 3 inches. Oh my gosh. You'd be surprised how many trucks like this exist in Alberta. Okay. First time pumping gas on your own? No, the first time on your own. The second time was a tutorial. First time was a tutorial. Oh, hope not first. Turn. Other one. Yep. This one is diesel. That's gas. Still at the grid.
I don't know.
Let's squeeze the button. Hello. Our first time pumping gas.
Oh, okay, that's good, man. What that is, what mistakes you made.
Exactly. How much gas to buy? If at this rate, if you drive every morning, man, if it means 50 like gas every time. So how do you feel about driving again?
Comfortable.
Comfortable? That's good. Let's see him. Stop sign.
I'm busy.
Okay.
Wow. Busy.
People always say that your spouse is the worst person to teach you to drive. Too close. People always say that your spouse is the worst person to teach you to drive. Well, that is so not true. I'm such a good teacher. Look at right here, suppose. Like a right.
And when we try to write it in pen, right?
Anyways, what do you guys think?
Worst person.
Why is your spouse the worst person to teach you to drive? But I don't have any emotions. So I the person I learned to drive have all of the emotions. Look at right. Look at Malia. I feel so happy that she's around the wheel. Oh man, I can finally put my foot up on the dashboard. I can finally.
I put up the foot on dashboard.
Man, rest. You got this, babes. It's not. You know how to drive. You just need to work on your confidence
It's not
and
confidence. It's just
focus. Confidence and focus. That's what it is. Make a left.
people in the intersection here to intersection. You, I tell me which direction to go.
You're comfortable turning the steering it?
Yeah, comfortable.
Okay, make a left. You know what this sign means? Malika, sit down in the seat. Guys, thank you for all. Guys, thank you for all the birthday shout out, the birthday wishes, the birthday gifts, the birthday good words of encouragement, and all those nice things that I received yesterday. Really, really appreciate it. Another year older, guys, another year older. I came to Canada when I was, 30 years old, 29 going on 30. No, I was already 30. 2019. Yeah. I came to Canada when I was 30 years old, guys. I know I'm 34 years old. So that simple show you guys that it's not too late for you guys either. All of you guys up in the 30s wondering if it's too late for you. No, it's not. It's not, guys. It's definitely not too late. Bikers Fest. It's definitely not too late for you guys, but just keep pushing towards it, guys, and you definitely can achieve it. big road. Are the same principles, not change. You see me? You're not to the line. You want to know when they're the line. You want to feel it. Well, that wasn't too bad though. Remember my speed limit. You're not past the speed limit, but we just have to remember the speed limit. Because you go off of a hill and the car will naturally speed up. I want this one. I want this one, can't see. You can't see. It's still too far.
Too far on the line? The line there? That one there? With the funny line.
Yeah, now you're at the line. Now the road I know is all about knowing how much speed. If you go around the corner, can't go too slow, can't go too fast, but you have to know and balance the car. Feel the car, know how much speed, how much turn, everything you need. One motion. This is always my favorite shot of Grand Prairie, guys. Right in this turn, man. See him slow down because he get too much like a while ago. So him feel like saying I could drift over an island. Stay closer to your side. Turn up to the swing. Okay. Yeah, 2 years. So that come with practice. The more you drive, the more comfortable that becomes. The more just constantly making more turns, more turns. Like until we come back now, you're gonna make a U-turn right there, so you're gonna just judge the steering and all of that. It's just speed and accuracy. That's what it is. Until I get it. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, look at those deer. Look at those deer over there. I do. By the way, deer meat tastes just like goat meat. Two of them. Malika, want to go and say hi to the deers? Look at the deer. Look. Don't go fast to them, you know. Malika, come and leave the deer. Come and leave the deer alone. Why you run? Why you see you're scared away the deer? You scared away the deer, Malika. There's so many of them. Sunday morning is for walks and nature. You guys know how it is. This is life, guys. This is life. Wow. What's going on here? What?
You weren't video. Yay, mama. Yay, mommy. Hi. Hi. Yes. Peppa Puppy. Your accent coming out. Mama. Let's swing. See? Mommy can hold on this big swing. Wow. You don't want mommy to touch you? Okay. It's okay. Wow. Man, drop.
Malika, what is it? You guys playing? Grass. 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 Ready to go again?
Grandma there.
Momo, go on. Malia, did you say hi to grandma? Malia, come and say hi to grandma. Come on, say. I know grandma is on mommy's phone. Say hi to grandma.
Tell her everything.
You snitch my appearance. You snitch my appearance.
She tell about belly. She attack her belly.
Try show a sign.
I tried to tell her. She tried to tell her something to feed her for money. Or she no want nothing for money.
Malia, talk.
Tell grandma the truth that you don't want nothing.
Malia, talk to grandma. Talk to grandma on the phone, Malia.
Your belly. You see your face. They about not tata.
Grass.
Don't come now.
Grass.
Mom.
Grass.
Grass. She said, no grass. She said, Dada.
Daddy.
Daddy. She said, Daddy. She said, sister. She said, Natasha. She said, Mommy. Sister. Grass. She said, pretty. She said, bird. She was one words.
Shoes, juice,
Food.
food, phone.
Food. Sister. Slippers. Shoes. Mama.
Malika, give sister a hug.
So grandma said you can hug.
Show grandma say can I hug sister. Give sister a big hug. Malia, give sister a hug. Come on, give sister a big hug. They're not in the hugging mood. No. You should.
Honey, what happened to your want nothing. Want food. Show that grandma pretty flowers. Show grandma pretty flowers.
Malia, come on, stop giving mommy trouble. Say hi. Say hi.
She's checking up on you, you're not saying anything? She's not.
Not saying anything. She's acting shy.
tell grandma what's happening with this now.
Eat?
We don't eat flowers. Hey, thank you. Come, let's go.
Come give me a hand. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Birdie. It's a bird. Don't be scared. It's a bird. Come. It's just a bird. Where's the bird, Malia? We're hearing it, but we're not seeing it. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Yeah. Bear. Bear. Papa. Guys, that was a good walk. Sunday mornings just come like it's made for walks. Plus when the weather is good, I have to take advantage of it. Yep. Not back in the driver's seat. Going to No Frills. No, guys, we're not going shopping again. We're not going shopping again. Going to No Frills to just buy Pediasure because they didn't have any at Superstore when we went there over the weekend. So I'm just gonna go to No Frills to just grab some Pediasure and then go back home. Do some breakfast because I'm hungry. I have some meetings today, some calendar today with some clients, so looking forward to it. Definitely, always a pleasure connecting with you guys. Helping in whatever shape or form I can help with. So yeah, definitely looking forward to that. So yeah, that's my day. What your day is looking like? What is your day looking like, babes?
I'm not sure right now.
Not sure or can't talk. Which one?
That go. Complete stop. And then we go. Oh, we do that wrong.
Hey, too much gas. Yeah.
And
Yeah, it's trying to stay in the lane. There's somebody if you can't come. We're not going through that still. Hold your lane and go on. You don't have to do them, I hold for them lane. The van back here is frustrated. And you shouldn't stop. And you're green light. Just come in at your lane and then I'm just for them lane. The sun is just blurring up the video. Yeah. I got a tree, but always keep in mind where you go and then try to come over when you're comfortable so that you're not in a rush to come over up there. So it's all about being proactive. Speed limit at 60. Don't want to get frustrated. You got 40 something a while ago.
Yeah,